After the team.
Hindi angkop sa pero ang weather is hindi na naman masyado maganda. Uulan. That's okay. It's not a private tour, right?
Dito.
Dito na kami sa bus. Ibatigaan si Michelle. Second na namin to na transfer ng seat. Gusto na naman niya mag-transfer ng seat. Pupitin siya si ate na po. Guys, we are here. Alam niyo ba? Rainy. Very rainy. 70% rain today. But, yun nga, hindi naman natin makontrol yung weather. So, we just have to enjoy it. Ang dami pa rin tao. Sabi nila, pag rainy season daw, aabot pa rin siya ng mga 8 to 10,000 pa rin yung daily visitors dito. Mostly tourists, of course. Pero pag summer daw, yung maximum nila is umabot pa daw ng 25K. So, ganyan kadami yung tao dito. Sana all maganda yung tourism. See, ang daming buses na nagdadatingan. Lahat yan may group tour. So much time doing this.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rest. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today it's a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today it's a good.
Oh my God. Ang sarap ng rice. Chicken rice. Ang sarap din. Kaganahan. Meron din tayong snail, guys. First time ni Michelle itatry. Siguro try ko later, pero siya muna. Oh my God! Is it good? Sama nagsaang? Sweeter?
It's a lot sweeter.
Okay. Let's try later.
Ready?
Try natin snail.
Gada mo gumutan nan bong sa asta ang kuan tumoy na mo diha ang ilahang and Christine.
Pangalawang balik ko na, guys. Alam nyo, ang dami talagang choices dito. May Japanese, may Italian, may Korean, dami. Tapos Vietnamese na mga authentic Vietnamese. Kahit nasa pa ng weather, pero I think bumawi sila dito. Bumawi talaga sila sa buffet. Ang sarap. Mixture of everything na naman. The food is really good. Huh?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and through.
Guys, kanina pa tayo dito sa hotel and ang una talagang ginawa namin ni Michelle is to organize someone who can do our laundry. Marami na kaming clothes na nagamit, guys, and you know, ano tayo, fly tayo. This is the third city dito sa Vietnam na napuntahan natin. So we need to talaga organize, and it's very good kasi ang ganda dito. Meron silang pick up and delivery para sa mga dirty clothes namin. So guys, it's dinner time. Hindi na kami lumabas kasi pagoda na ang inyong mga tera. Medyo nakakapagod din yung kasi yung tour. Mulan pa. Struggle tayo. Okay lang yung soup.
It's a Vietnamese seaweed soup. Not a Korean one.
Anyway, meron tayong rice dito, some meat, and some veggies. Look, that's what I have. Then meron tayong calamansi juice.
I think kailangan may matang soy sauce.
Kain tayo, guys. Chika ako later about sa trip natin. Okay, guys, chika na tayo. Sabi pala ng guide namin, if ever you wanna explore Vietnam, especially dito sa Da Nang, and gusto nyo pumunta dun sa Ba Na Hills, yung perfect daw na month na dapat mag-visit kayo dito is March to April. Medyo busy yan siya, pero may sun talaga, guys. May sun talaga. Sabi niya, after April daw, nagsa-start na daw maging maulan, ma-foggy, para makita nyo talaga kung gaano siya kaganda. March to April kayo dapat pumunta dito. So, if ever man, babalik ako dito, dapat sa mga dates na yan. Kasi nakaka-stress din na maglakad-lakad, na umuulan, basang-basa yung shoes namin kanina. And it's pretty much the same thing na na-feel ko dun sa Sapa, na sabi ko ba na, sayang na andun na kami, pero wala naman kami makita. Tapos, drenched talaga kami nung pumunta kami sa Fancy Pan. Grabe, basang-basa talaga kami. Tapos, nagkasakit tuloy si Michelle, and ako naman sabi ko na parang not feeling well din ako. Yung shoes talaga, yung sabi ko kanina, hindi talaga komportable na yung shoes ko basa. Tapos yung medyas basa na din. Tapos palakad-lakad, sabi ko magkakasakit talaga ako nito. But hopefully not. So, ayun. Ay. Guys, may kakainit pala kami ngayon ni Michelle. Balot! Kasi tawag din sa ano?
Hot vit long.
Ang tawag dito sa Vietnam ng balot, guys, is hot vit long. So, yan, kakainin natin. Meron tayong 4. 5?
4.
Ano, 4. So, yan. I'm so excited. Cheers! Balot! Oh my God.
It is balot.
Walay salt. Walay salt. Uy. So, sa kanila, pinapalisan nila nitong leaf na ito.
Kaffir lime leaves.
Kaffir lime leaves daw.
And then, whatever this is, pickle something.
Yan, ito. Na parang...
Papaya!
Okay.
Mga ilang version of the suka. Haling-halang.
Asa man tong kuan? Spoon. Oy, ang sarap naman, ay. Uy, wala man ay lami nga walay ka ng kuan. Suka.
Lami yan.
Iba pa rin may suka at saka salt.
Downy after.
Downy after kasi yung smell. That's what I meant. Cheers. Ay, salt good ay. Lahiragid ang lasa sa salt.
Wala, gato na kanya ako.
Mas masarap yung sa atin. Oy, mas masarap yung sa atin asin.
Anong matangag suka? Ay, kani. Chili.
Yeah. Wala pa rin tatalo sa Pinas. May nakilala kami kanina. He's Italian, pero well-traveled na siya. Nag-ask talaga siya sa amin kanina, have you tried eating balot? Of course!
Do you miss balot?
Do you miss balot ba yun? Sabi niya. Of course! Pa rin ang ating answer niya. Sabi niya na na-smell niya lang daw, tapos ayun.
It's an acquired taste, no?
I'm
Balot?
not really sure if it's an acquired taste.
It's
Really good. The first time I tasted it, it's good already.
if you think about it, look at that. It's a baby duck. So not everyone can do it.
Suka, uy. Ang saka salt.
Look.
Oh my God, gabi katigulang sa ilang... Ano naman yan, Day? 21 days? Oh my God, kadaghan sa balahibo. Ani. Ay, murag 18 naman ako maximum, girl.
16 naman dyan ako, ah.
Ako 18 ako maximum, pero mostly 16 naman dyan available na.
Feel good.
I want you, baby.
Pulang tayo magbalot ba? Sa unang balot! Okay, blurt!
Try mo daw yung leaf, Day.
I don't like this. Like, I don't know how it tastes like. It's close to cilantro. I don't like it. No, wala sila pawala sa langsa.
This is the Vietnam way of eating it.
Chopsticks, girl.
No. Ginamitan ko ng chopstick para sa ano.
There are like dishes sa balot, like cooked in tamarind, cooked with... Basta, murag himuon nila siyang more meat. You eat all of it, including the white?
Look, the white is super soft. Diba?
Wala si kukubad.
Okay, super soft. Guys, it is packing na naman. We are gonna go to Ho Chi Minh today. And here we go. For the 100th time already, guys. Pack na naman. So, ito na pala yung napalaundry natin kahapon. Dumating siya ngayon lang. And then, we only paid 230,000 Vietnam dong. Tapos, ilang kilo kaya to? Mga 7 kg siguro. Pick up and delivery na. So, we have 2 flights, guys. Nilalamig kasi ako. We have 2 flights na 20 kg lang. Yung flight natin papunta dito sa Da Nang and yung flight natin papunta sa Ho Chi Minh. So, kaya, you know, the art of packing, dapat 20 kg lang talaga yung check-in luggage natin. Pero so far naman, hindi talaga kami lumalagpas. Kaya, me and Michelle, ayaw muna namin na mag-shopping dito in terms of mga pasalubong. Like buying coffee, Vietnamese coffee, kasi yung bet natin yan sa Ho Chi Minh na. Kasi yung flight natin from Ho Chi Minh to Sydney is 23 kgs tayo. So, meron tayong 3 kgs, tapos hand carry luggage pa natin, pwede siya mag-10. So, meron tayong a total of 6 na pwede pa tayong mag-add. So, what am I gonna wear today? Dahil tugnaw. No, I'm talking to myself, girl. Righty ho. Guys, sobrang nakakatawa. Kasi, di ba nagpa-laundry tayo, yung mga damit namin ni Michelle ba, nag-shrink. Like, itong pants ko, for some reason, medyo maluwag pa to sa akin. Ngayon, nag-struggle ako na i-fit siya. Tapos yung top ko din kanina, na hindi t-shirt, ay, ang liit na din. Dito na din. Naging crop top na. Si Michelle din, yung damit niya na dito, ganito kahaba, naging crop top na din. So, tuwang-tawa kami.
Is it that, or is it just vacation weight?
It could be. Yun nga sabi ko, it could be vacation weight. Pero yung top ko kasi, hindi naman siya ganun crop top. Pero naging dito na siya. Like, sobrang nasa taas na siya ng aking belly button. So, I think it's also the temperature of the dryer. Nag-shrink yung mga damit namin. Ayun, naka-t-shirt na lang tayo ngayon para chill. Para matabunan ko yung aking bilbil na sobrang nakaumbok na tuloy. Kasi naging tight na yung ating pants. Guys, chika ko lang sa inyo kasi hindi ko makita masyado yung sarili ko sa mirror. May nag-ask kung bakit hindi ako nagpapalaser ng mata. It's a personal choice, guys. Kasi kung iisipin nyo, ang dali lang niyang gawin. Hindi naman siya mahirap gawin. Sa New Zealand pa, lalo na dito sa Australia, you can really trust them in terms of having the operation done. Pero, sa akin kasi, para bang ayoko na, I look so bare. Like, for how many years naka-glasses ako. Parang ginagawa ko siyang shield. Parang hindi ko kaya makipagtitigan sa isang tao for a long time. And I feel like, yung glasses ko, parang kino-comfort ako in a way. Ang arte. So, ayun, hindi ako comfortable na, guys. And parang naging comfort zone ko yung pag-wear ko ng glasses. Yan yung personal issue ko. Kaya, ang tagal na, nung nagpa-laser si ate, ang tawag sa procedure niya is smile. Nag-asa ko ng question kasi parang, pwede siyang gawin. Pero hindi ako komportable kasi. Parang sabi ko, okay lang ako na naka-glasses ako. But, again, we'll never know. Maybe in a few years' time, in a few months' time, gagawin ko siya. Pero as of now, it's not something na, you know, nasa isip ko, na gagawin ko. Hindi. Iba. Iba yung nasa isip ko ngayon. Like, buang, too far from that. So, yun lang. Kahit nga minsan, di ba, hindi ako masyadong, hindi nagla-glasses when I'm talking to you guys. So, siguro others can't relate. And good on you guys if hindi kayo makarelate. Kasi, it's a battle. Final checks tayo, mga Mars. Mga Mars. You want your juice?
Yeah. It's calamansi.
Ito niya ang spray na water?
Yeah.
By accommodation. This is the Daisy Boutique Hotel and Apartments. Guys, maganda dito.
Makita yung gawa mo?
I think I did. Yeah, hindi kami masyadong nakapag-explore. Hindi nakapag-swimming sa pool. Yan. May mga 2 bedrooms din dito, guys. Like, if you are planning to come here with your family, go. And may pool na hindi nga namin. Hindi kami nakapag-swimming na sa pool dito. Very aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. Yan. Gusto ko kasi mga wood. Mga wood, browns, nude.
Arana.
Let's go.